This time, we are going to complete this K-list table such that our star operation be an associative binary operation. So the previous one is for commutative binary operation, and we have to look at the main diagonal only and look at the corresponding entries. We can finalize that. But for this, we need to add a little bit analysis since we are going to consider associativity. Hence, we are going to include 3 different entries. But first, for this to be a binary operation, we know that the elements of our set are A, B, C, and D, and here as well. For this to be a binary operation, strictly, the entries inside, after we operate all the elements by the star operation, for this to be binary, the result should only be A, B, C, D as well. That would mean we are safe to say that the entries here would be either A, B, C, or D. Not in that order, but we have only those elements that are possible. Now, to look into the consideration that is associative, okay, we are going to look at the row, which is what we're looking for. Okay, we're looking for the results for D star A. We're also looking for the results of D star B. These entries here. We are looking for D star C and D star D as well. However, take note that we don't know the result because we cannot use here the commutative property and just say that this is also equal to A star D, because there's no claim that the star here is already commutative. The hint that we could do here is this. We are going to pick situations here or operations, or I mean the version of this operation using specific elements that contains D as their result. So we could have this here. We could decide to use this because we have D as result, so that when we connect it here later, we simply operate whatever with the connection of that to A, we'll come up with this result. As well as here, here, and here. We can also use this here. However, if we're going to operate or use this D, we're also going back to the unknown that on the other side, we have D here that is also unknown entries. So this is the hint. I'm going to give you the hint. We're going to use a specific entry in our K-list table that is that results to D without using the D row or D column. We're talking about this entry here. Okay? We have C star D. Okay? Let me remove this first here and here. Let me rewrite it later. We know now that if we are going to operate C together with B, we will get a certain D. Okay? Because that's its result. Okay? Then, this relationship will be used as we solve for the unknown entries later. We start with this entry here. Okay, let's start with this entry here. That's D star A. Okay, so take a note of this. We're going to solve for D star A. Take note that D here can be rewritten as the result of C star B. In short, we can rewrite this. Your entire D is actually C star B star A. Okay? That's the result. Okay? So C star B star A, where your D is the result of C star B. Now, what's the purpose of this? Because you would like for this to be commutative and we're solving for D star A, the result of this entire expression is the entry we're looking for here. And how do we know that? Because if we are going to push in using this, this will just return to D star A, what we're looking for. So what we could do here is the process of associativity, which means we are going to regroup this C star B star A. And with that, we will no longer go back to D star A. However, we will be resolving for its result once we could simplify this. B star A is here. B star A. Okay, that's B. B star A. Okay? So B star A. B star A is B. So this is down to C star B. And C star B is actually D. That would mean cutting all of this and rewriting this here, D star A is just simply D. That's the result of the first entry here. Sounds confusing, right? But let's do it again. We are solving for D star A. But we know that D star A, or the D in D star A, could be used or could be written as C star B, given in this area, not part of the D row nor D column. After that, the D star A will now be changed to C star B star A because this is just equal to D. So we simply substituted that form. Then, this is where associativity will come in. We will regroup this, okay? And we will have B star A instead of this form because this will just return to the D star A, the item we're looking for. So we are regrouping that. Once regrouped, we know that B star A is B and C star B is D. That is the result of the unknown we're looking for. Okay? Those are the steps. Now let's duplicate that in solving for the second entry. We're solving for D star B. And since this is just the same as earlier, we will substitute C star B for our D. C star B star B. Okay? I hope you're following. Then, we will regroup this C star B star B to ensure associativity. Then, you have C star. Your B star B is here. So, B, B. Your intersection is A. So, your B star B is just equal to A. Then, the final result of this, C star A. So, you will have C star A. Your result here is C. Okay? The result is C. That is also the same as D star B. So, that is our second result here, C. Okay? Now, we are going to duplicate the same for the next two unknowns. So, hopefully, you are able to grasp already the ideas. So, let's have D star C. Okay? D star C, rewriting this, C star B star C. Again, D is C star B as given here. Then, regrouping that, C star B star C. B star C, so you have B star C is C. So this is just C star C, which gives us the result for C star C, C and C. This is the result. So C star C is just equal to C, and that's the result for D star C as well. So C here. I still have spaces here below. Hopefully we could reuse the same process. Let me use here, okay, black. Okay, so we'll have D star D, the final form. Okay, we can rewrite D again as mentioned here. This item here. Hopefully you could see this because my pen now is black. C star B. So that's C star B star D. Then regroup C star B star D. The B star D is here. You have B star D is D, right? Okay. So this is D. So you will have here C star, the result is D. And when you operate C star D, you would see here C column and DS row. I mean, the other way around, CS row and DS column. Your result here is D. This would mean the final answer here is D, and this is also the same as D star D. In short, the final result here is D. The unknowns earlier were D, C, C, and D respectively, ensuring that our operation is associative. So we use here the idea of substitution and the idea of associativity to solve for the unknown entries of our k-list table. Thank you very much for watching.